Hello guys, you're about to learn one of the most simple methods to earn money online. This platform will pay you $10 every 3 minutes of work. And also this won't work out for you if you miss just a simple step of this process. So make sure you stick with me until the end of this short video. So grab your phone, tablet, laptop or computer and come over to google.com. And yes guys, this works worldwide, and for this, as long as you have an internet connection and as soon as this tutorial ends, if you followed every single step, you will be able to make money from this platform. I'm gonna reveal you soon. And if you really appreciate me doing all the hard work for you and coming up with these kind of legit ways of earning money online, leave a like to this video. And make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be one of the first ones to be notified whenever a new video pops up. So first we have to come over to Google and search for Capterra, and this will be the site that will pay us today. So you can go over to capterra.com. Well, this is a site that will pay you for writing reviews for softwares and programs. Don't worry, you don't have to buy those or even use those to get an idea about those. I'll show you how to write a review without any knowledge in less than 3 minutes. And as you can see, we are the world's leading software reviews and selection platform, and they have over 1 million verified software reviews from people like you. And it's 100% free to use. And if you come down, you can browse through all of the software categories they got. As you can see, you can browse over 700 different categories of softwares and programs, and inside each of these categories there are hundreds of different programs and softwares which you can review. So all those digital products that are online, now you can review them and get paid $10 each to do that in less than 3 minutes, as I told you earlier. And guys, you might be asking yourself, why would they pay $10 for a review? That's because the software or program owners are willing to pay that amount of money. It's obvious, right? If they have more 5-star reviews, more positive feedback, they'll be able to make a lot of sales. So it's a great marketing strategy for them, and that's why they pay you $10 for a review. So in order to write a review, you have to first go over here and hit write a review. So here you'll review business software, write reviews of your own experience with software products used in your industry. So here you'll see thousands of different softwares and programs which you can review and get paid. As I said, there are over 30,000 products on Capterra. 30,000 opportunities for you. Guys, when someone wants to buy a digital product, service or just anything, most of them will go online to get an idea and get to know more about it. And if the reviews are good, they'll most likely buy the particular product or the service, and that's why Capterra pays you. There's no shortage of ways to make money on this platform. So let's say we are going to write a review on OBS Studio. So rather than clicking on it and going straight away to write a review here, I'll give you a great tip that will save your time as well as the effort. So this is already OBS Studio, so you have to go over to Google and type OBS Studio reviews. So you'll see all the reviews of this particular software online, so you can get an idea. So here you can see the reviews from capterra.com. So click that. Let's open up this window, and then you have to scroll all the way down until you see the reviews. So here are the OBS Studio reviews, and it has got 4.6 overall. So here you can see some quality reviews, guys. There are about 567 reviews. So take a minute to read some of these, and these insights will allow you to review the software without actually having to buy it yourself. You can of course change the text a little bit and make it your own, as everyone is talking about the same thing here. I mean, the content pros, they would change, right? So go through the review, the previous reviews. Just take an idea of these reviews and what they wrote about the software you're gonna review. But wait, don't ever copy and paste this, okay? Because if you do so, Capterra won't pay you a cent. That's not gonna work, guys. So now you don't have to buy this software or spend hours and hours to learn about the pros and cons of this software. If you have any idea about some software in Capterra, you don't have to go through this process. You can just type your ideas. But in case if you don't have any idea, and I know that there are thousands of softwares in Capterra and most of them you haven't even heard about, so this is the best way you can do this. Write your own and earn money, guys. Get some idea, write your own and get some money. Now let me do one and show you for you to get an idea. But before that, if you're really getting a value out of this video, please like it, leave a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and tap on the notification so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Right, let's come back to Capterra. Go inside OBS Studio. And here, before starting this review, you have to give your details: first name, last name, email address, job title, organization name if you have any, and the industry, company size, how long have you used this software. And here I recommend you to select 2+ years, because if you choose a free trial or less than 6 months, they might think that you don't have any idea about this software or the program and won't accept your review, guys. And here, in what capacity do you use OBS Studio? So you have to choose both in this case. And how frequently do you use this software? This also crucial, guys. You have to select daily or weekly, but if you choose monthly or other, the same thing will happen. They will think that you don't have any idea about this and they won't accept your review and you'll end up getting nothing. So what if you have skipped this video by watching for a few minutes and getting an idea about the website that I'm gonna talk you and chose monthly or other over here? You won't get paid and that will be a waste of time, right? So that's why I always tell you to watch these small tutorials until the end, guys. So just 10-minute videos, right? And here also, what's your role in using this software? You have to select I'm a user, not the administrator or the person who helped select or purchase this product. You should be the user and click next. Now here's the place where you have to rate them out of 5 stars. Keep in mind, the better and positive the review you write, you got higher chances of making money, guys. These are less likely to accept people leave 1-star reviews for everything, so it's always better to leave a positive review if the software is really good based on other reviews as well. These are optional, but I'll just give the stars. And here I'll choose inexpensive and maybe 8. Guys, you don't have to copy my answers, okay? If you like, you can copy, but it will depend on the software and the program you review, okay? And let's go down to the last step. And here's the last step you'll need to complete. So here you just have to write a title and the pros and the cons, so you can get some ideas from these and write a title and the pros and the cons. Give a unique title. I'll type it as the best screencasting software ever, and go over here and go through the pros and cons of some of these reviews, guys. And then you can read all the reviews if you want, but that's not that compulsory. You can go through like 2 or 3 reviews and just get some idea, copy it to somewhere else and change the words maybe and write down here, and then describe your overall experience with OBS Studio. This is also optional and you can leave it blank, but if you complete that as well, you'll have a higher chance of earning more money, guys. Did you switch from another product? You can just say no and go ahead and submit this. So all that will take about 3 minutes and you can get paid $10 for one simple review. And as I've shown you, you can review these hundreds of thousands of software. So guys, if you have any question, feel free to comment down below. I'll be really happy to reply to each and every one of your comments. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, share with your mates. Thanks for watching.